CCTV Systems 101, CCTV Systems for Home UK. CCTV, closed-circuit television, systems are widely used for surveillance and security purposes in various settings, including homes, businesses, public spaces, and government facilities. These systems consist of cameras, monitors, recording devices, and network infrastructure for monitoring and recording video footage. Here's an overview of CCTV systems. 1. Components, cameras. CCTV cameras capture video footage of the monitored area. There are various types of cameras available, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, PTZ, pan-tilt-zoom cameras, and covered cameras. Monitors display live or recorded video feeds from the cameras. Monitors can be located in control rooms, security stations, or other central locations for monitoring purposes. Recording devices. Video footage captured by CCTV cameras is typically recorded and stored on digital video recorders, DVRs, or network video recorders, NVRs. These devices allow for continuous recording, motion-based recording, or scheduled recording based on user preferences. Network infrastructure. CCTV systems may utilize network infrastructure, such as Ethernet cables, switches, and routers, for transmitting video signals and accessing footage remotely over the internet or local network. Power supplies. Cameras and recording devices require power sources, which may include electrical outlets or power over Ethernet, PoE, for IP cameras. 2. Types of CCTV systems. Analog CCTV systems. Traditional analog CCTV systems use coaxial cables to transmit video signals from cameras to recording devices. Analog cameras are connected directly to DVRs for recording and monitoring. IP CCTV systems. IP-based CCTV systems use network infrastructure to transmit video signals digitally. IP cameras connect to NVRs or network switches, allowing for flexible installation and remote access to video feeds over the internet. Hybrid CCTV systems. Hybrid systems combine analog and IP cameras, allowing users to leverage existing analog infrastructure while incorporating newer IP camera technology for enhanced features and functionality. 3. Features and capabilities. Resolution. Higher resolution cameras provide clearer and more detailed video footage. Common resolutions include standard definition, SD, high definition, HD, full HD, 1080p, and Ultra HD, 4K. Night vision. Cameras equipped with infrared, IR, LEDs enable surveillance in low light or nighttime conditions, providing clear video footage even in the dark. Motion detection. Motion sensors trigger recording or alerts when movement is detected within the camera's field of view, helping to identify suspicious activity or intruders. Remote access. Many CCTV systems offer remote access capabilities, allowing users to view live or recorded video feeds from anywhere with an internet connection using smartphones, tablets, or computers. Scalability. CCTV systems should be scalable to accommodate future expansion or upgrades, such as adding more cameras or storage capacity as needed. 4. Applications. CCTV systems are used for various applications, including home security and surveillance, business and retail security, public safety and law enforcement, traffic monitoring and management, industrial and manufacturing security, healthcare facility monitoring, educational institution security. 5. Installation and maintenance. Proper installation, configuration, and maintenance are essential for the effectiveness of CCTV systems. It's recommended to hire professional installers or technicians to ensure the system is installed correctly and optimized for the specific surveillance needs. Overall, CCTV systems play a vital role in enhancing security, safety, and surveillance across various environments, providing peace of mind and deterrence against criminal activity.